In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Proof with Mailchimp to boost your marketing efforts and increase your conversions. If you're new to these tools, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to connect Proof with Mailchimp seamlessly and use it to personalize your email campaigns, so stick around. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can try this integration completely free using the link below, and we have some exclusive bonuses for you if you act fast. Now let's get started. To begin, make sure you have accounts set up for both Proof and Mailchimp. You don't need a premium plan for this to work, so it's super accessible to everyone. The first step in integrating Proof with Mailchimp is logging into both platforms. Start by heading over to your Proof dashboard. From there, navigate to the integration section. You should see Mailchimp listed as an option. Click Connect and log into your Mailchimp account when prompted. This will link the two tools, enabling you to sync your data across both platforms. Once you're connected, Proof gives you the option to add specific behavior-driven elements to your Mailchimp campaigns. For example, you can use Proof's social proof features to show how many people have recently signed up for your newsletter or purchased a product. This helps create a sense of urgency and builds trust, which can increase your conversion rates significantly. Next, you can select the Mailchimp list you want Proof to integrate with. This is the list where your contacts are stored. Proof will sync the list, and you can start segmenting your audience based on actions they take on your website. This is key for personalizing your email campaigns in Mailchimp. Here's a cool trick. Once you've set up your integration, you can use Proof's conversions to track which visitors on your website are likely to convert. That data gets sent to Mailchimp, where you can create specific email flows based on visitor behavior. Imagine sending tailored offers to people who clicked on a product page, or showing testimonials to users who added an item to their cart but didn't check out. With Proof's A/B testing features, you can also test different messages to see which one resonates better with your audience before sending emails through Mailchimp. This data-driven approach ensures your emails are optimized for maximum engagement. Now you're ready to use Proof's integration to send targeted campaigns. For instance, you can create a Mailchimp campaign that highlights real-time actions, like X people just signed up for this offer. This kind of dynamic content grabs attention and drives action. But here's a secret. The more personalized your campaigns are, the better your results. Proof enables you to trigger notifications, show user activity, and even display content based on the user's geographical location. All this data works seamlessly with Mailchimp to send highly targeted email campaigns that feel customized to each recipient. Before we wrap up, make sure you're taking full advantage of the extended free trial. This integration isn't just about syncing two platforms. It's about maximizing your conversion potential. The combination of Proof's real-time behavior tracking and Mailchimp's powerful email marketing tools makes this a winning duo for any digital marketer. Don't forget, by clicking the link below, you get access to a free trial with some amazing bonuses that will help you get started fast. This is an exclusive offer, so be sure to check it out before it's gone. Thanks for watching this quick guide on how to integrate Proof with Mailchimp. Make sure you're using these powerful tools to their full potential, and stay tuned for more tips on boosting your marketing success.